Welcome to Edulegit Step-by-Step Guide. This guide will walk you through efficiently managing tasks in Edulegit. From accessing and creating tasks to evaluating and submitting assignments. Access your tasks. Initiate a new task. Select a specific task. Click Create Task Document to proceed to the document writing mode. Enable necessary features, e.g. screen recording option, before starting your work. Check your work for plagiarism, AI probability, and readability. Click the Submit button on the right menu panel once your assignment is ready for review. After your instructor has reviewed your assignment, you can see their feedback and your grade in the same assignment section. Open the task document and click on the Annotations tab on the right to your document to view detailed comments and suggestions from your teacher. In case your instructor reviewed the task and provided feedback for improving your assignment, work with it as previously and click the Resubmit button once you finish revising. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Edulegit.